how to fix Roblox error code 533. So first, just open up your Roblox player. So just search it on your Windows menu. So Roblox player, and just right click on the Roblox player right here. Then just click on run as administrator. Then that should install Roblox and open it. So it is now opened, and if that didn't work for you, what you can do next, open up your Roblox browser or your browser and open up the Roblox website. Then go to the gear icon here at the top right, then go to settings. Then go to privacy and make sure that account restrictions is disabled right here. Because sometimes if it's enabled, it will block some games, and that might be the cause of the error. So you could try it to disable it and try to run a game again. Next thing that you can do is check if there are any VPNs that are currently running in your PC. And to do that, just go to the arrow up icon here on your taskbar. Then click on that and check if there are any VPN apps that are currently running. And if that still didn't fix your problem, what you can do is reinstall Roblox. And to do that, you just need to go to your Windows menu right here and search for Roblox. Just like so. So I have the Roblox player right here. Then just click on uninstall. Then this will pop up the installed apps that you have for your PC. Then just find the Roblox player here on the list. So the Roblox is just right here. So click on the three dot icon. Then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again. Then wait for it to load. As you can see, it says that it is uninstalling Roblox. So I'm gonna also delete the Roblox Studio so everything will be clean. Just wait for it to uninstall again. Here it says uninstalling Roblox Studio. Once it's done, before you install Roblox again, what you can do is click on Windows plus R on your keyboard. So Windows and R at the same time. And this will pop up. Then type in temp percentage right there. Then click on OK. Then delete every file that is right here. And just click on Control plus A on your keyboard to select everything. Control A. Then click on delete. Then click on the checkbox right here. Then click on skip. So if this pops up, so it says file and use, just do this. Click on the checkbox, then click on skip. Then click on the checkbox again, then click on skip. Once that's done, just exit out of this and now go to the Roblox browser or Roblox website. So I'm just going to search for roblox.com right here. And once I'm here, I'm just going to wait for it to load. Just open up any game, so literally any game, so that we could just download the Roblox. So let's say I'm going to open Blox Fruits. Then just click on the play button. And as you can see, it says Roblox is now loading. Just wait for it to load. And now it says download and install Roblox. That's what you want. Just simply click on download. Then wait for this to pop up. So just save it to any directory that you want. For me, I'm just going to save it to downloads. Then just click on save. Wait for it to download. And once that's done, this should pop up on the top. So on the top right, we're just going to simply click on it. You could also check it in your file manager right here, and to downloads, you can now check the player. And once it's done, you can now wait for it to install right here. And as you can see, it already started, and now Roblox is now working. And that's how I basically fix Roblox error code 533.